Hello friends, today I want to show you how to do this really 3D brick wall pattern, which you can use in child's outfit or blankets. Let me show you how it looks from the sides. So it really has a lot of volume and texture, and it's fun to look at and touch. Another great thing about this pattern is that it's very easy compared to how good it looks, I would say. So this is the back side of the same pattern. And I know it looks kind of advanced, but trust me, it's not. So let's begin talking about how we're going to do this. You should start by casting on a number of stitches that can be divided by 8. Okay, so I have 32 here and 32 here. Then you need 2 rows of knit stitches and 6 rows of purl stitches, but you need to start from the wrong side. So start by purling. If how to get this done is somehow complicated for you, please watch my video on purl stitch and knit stitch. I'll put a link here, and then I'm sure you'll figure it out easily. So let me go over it again. This is the wrong side of the pattern, and this is the right side. Okay? Because the bricks, these will form the bricks. Bricks are formed by purls. So this is the right side. But if you have done 2 rows of knit and 6 rows of purl stitches, and if you have started from the wrong side, as I told you, then right now you should be working on the wrong side. And we will be building the pattern on the wrong side. So this is where we will do the action. This is a 7-row, 8-row repeat pattern, but mostly you will be just purling and knitting. And only at 1 row you will do some action, and you've got to do it, otherwise you don't get this look. So you need to do something at some point. So let's start. When you're repeating, you have 2 rows of purls and 1 row of this row that we're going to work now is where you build the pattern, okay? Afterwards, you'll do another row of purl, just regular, and then you keep on repeating. Let's start. So I will start by purling for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I need to make something that I call binding these X shapes, these crosses. Okay, let's see how we're going to do that. So prepare for a knit, meaning take your yarn and put it at the back side of your needle. Instead of knitting the next stitch, follow it until the purl stitches that the corresponding purl stitches, this one and this one, and you take those purls, 1 and 2, on your needle, and you transfer them to your left needle. Now you have 3 stitches on your left needle. As 1, and this will create 1 bind. Now we're going to do another one. Now let's see. This is the next knit. You're going to follow it to find the 2 purls, 1 and 2, right below that column. Transfer them to your left needle, and you knit all 3 together. So you do 2 binds, and then you do 6 purls. Every brick is formed from 6 purl stitches. So you will do 2 binds and 6 purls. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now it's time to do another bind. Take your yarn, prepare for a knit. Okay, take it at the back side of your needle. Find the knit stitch, follow it along. Follow it along. And here, one purl, and here is the other purl. Take those two and take them to your left needle. Now you have 3 stitches on your left needle. Do the same to the next one. Look here, the knit stitch, follow it along, find the 2 purl stitches that lie below, 1 and 2. Take these 3 together and knit them all together. Afterwards, we do 6 purls, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now time to do 2 binds again. The knit stitch, follow it along, 1 and 2 purls. You get the purls, transfer them to your left needle, and you knit all 3 together. Now you'll do another one. You do 2. Follow it, and you find the 2 purls. Yes. Now you knit them all. Now we have done 2 binds, and we continue by doing 6 purls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll do 2 binds. Okay, here. Follow it along. I'm sorry. Yes. You follow it along. You take this one and this one, the purl stitches. You transfer them to your left needle and you knit them all together. We'll do another one. 1, 2, transfer them. Knit them all together. Purl the last 2 stitches. And we have finished this row. Now this row counts as, remember we had 2 purls at the end? This row counts as the first one. So when you turn, so this is the right side, and you should have 2 rows of knits. This one was the first row of knit. Now we are going to knit another row, and then you're going to do 6 rows of purls, and then you will repeat this. I will show you how to do that as well. I know it doesn't look like this yet, but just give it some time. And look, the first row here also doesn't look that great, but the following lines of bricks look much better. So how to decide where to put these bindings in the next row of bricks is, let me tell you how to do that. At each brick you have 6 stitches, and you should put the binding in the middle too. Okay, so when you're building another row of bricks and it's time to do the binding, you should bind these two and purl these. Purl the next 6, 2, 4, 6 and bind these two. Look, it is right in the middle of the brick below. So let's do that here instead of working with that. Right here I have some rows of bricks. I have 2 purls, 2 rows of knits and 6 purls. And now it's time to work at the wrong side of the pattern, and it's time to build the pattern. So let's count. Here we have 2, 4, 6. No, with this one, 2, 4, 6. Here, these are the ones that correspond to this brick, and the middle 2 are these. So these are the ones where I will put the bind. And you can see that is where I had put the bind in before. Okay, so these 2 will be bind. Until then I will purl. I will purl the first 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to bind. So take the yarn at the back. This is the knit. I follow it. And these are the 2 purls that I will take and I will put on my left needle. Now I will knit 3 together. 1. Now I'll put another bind. This is the purl. I follow it. This is the knit. Sorry, I follow it. These are the 2 purls that I need to take. Okay, these 2. 1, 2. Transfer them to my left needle. Knit them together. Knit them all 3 as one. And then I will purl for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And now it is time to bind. This is a knit stitch. These are the purls that correspond to that. Yes, 1, 2. Take them and put them here. And bind them all with 1 knit. Also here, knit stitch, follow it, take the 2. So why this is so easy is because you do 7 rows of just full knit or purl, and then now I'll do 6 rows of purl, 6 stitches of purl, and then only at 1 row you have to do something extra, which is not very difficult. And in the end you get an amazing pattern. It looks very, very advanced. So yeah, I think this pattern is quite a good deal. So it's time to make a bind. Let's do it again. This is the knit stitch. Follow it along, 1 purl, 2 purl. Take their horizontal bars on your left needle. Yes. And knit them all 3 together as one. I put 1 bind now, I'll put another one. Follow it along. 1, 2. Okay. And knit them all as one. Yes. What now? Just 6 purls. And I have almost completed this row as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you found this video helpful, please like the video. Also, if this pattern is not clear for you, you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write in the comments and I'll do my best and try to explain. And now we'll do our final bind for this row, 2, 4, 6. We're ready for a bind, yes. Here is the knit stitch. Here are the 2 pearls that lie beneath it. We take all of them together and knit them together as one. This was difficult. Yes. And another one, knit stitch, the 2 pearls that lie beneath it. I will take the horizontal bars. Now I will knit the 3 together. Okay. So the final 2 stitches, I will purl them and this row will be over. Now, let's see how it looks at the right side. That was hard on my fingers. Now, so this is how it looks when you turn the right side. So let me tell you again what to do next. Because we have completed, let's talk from the wrong side, okay? Because we have completed a row of purl, we're going to do another row of purl on the wrong side, let's say. And then 6 rows of knits. Or if we're talking at the right side, we're going to do another row of knit and 6 rows of purls. Afterwards, we're going to do this binding row. And that's it, my friends. I hope you like it. Let me know if you use this pattern or if you used it before, if you knew it. And I will see you in other videos. Bye.